Okay, for next topic, remember the previous calculation of the converting miles per hour to meters per second. So when you do it in the calculator, it's not 29.05 that would appear, right? So it is 29.047 and something, 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 right? So when we are reporting the values or the calculated values, we are rounding, right? We round the numbers. Now, it is somehow in practice that we do rounding to two decimal places or three decimal places, right? We sometimes always ask, how many decimal places should the answers be? Okay? So in general, okay, in the proper way of rounding, we follow the rules of significant figures. Okay? The significant figures refers to the digits that we measured. And when rounding, so we pay attention to the significant figure so that we do not overstate the accuracy. So for example, in previous calculations, we write 29.05. So we do not write all the numbers that would appear in the calculator, right? So that's the importance of significant figures. Now, what are significant figures? So these are significant figures which is all digits in a number that are known with certainty plus the first uncertain digit. So the more significant figure down obtained, the better is the precision of a measurement. So the concept of significant figures applies only to measurements, and exact values have unlimited number of significant figures. So remember, we only do this for measurement. Okay? So we don't use this in other ways of getting a number. For example, counting, right? 1, 2, 3, for example, or numbers in a constant. So those numbers do not have exact, or those numbers have unlimited significant figures. So we only apply this during measurement. Okay. Now for rules of significant figures, first, all non-zero digit, sabi, all non-zero digits are significant. So what are non-zero digits? These are numbers 1 to 9, right? Then, zeros between two significant figures are themselves significant. Then, zeros at the beginning of a number are never significant. Then, zeros at the end of a number are significant if a decimal point was written in the number. Okay, so to see these rules, so let's go to the next slide. Okay, for significant figures, okay, so numbers 1 to 9, that's easy to count as significant. So the problem really are in the zeros. So when will 0 be significant? Okay, so remember, zeros daw between two other significant digits are significant. For example, in this one, these two zeros are considered significant. Therefore, this number has how many significant figures? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this has 5 significant figures. Okay? Next rule, a zero daw preceding a decimal point is not significant. Okay? So the zeros are the start of number or start of decimal points. These are not significant, right? So even though this number has 6 digits, this still has 5 significant figures. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. Next, zeros between the decimal point and the first non-zero digit are not significant. Again, Itong 0 na to, and before the non-digit. But the zeros between are significant. So therefore, even though this has 8 digits, only 5 are significant. Okay? Next, zeros daw at the end of a number are significant if they are right kanan or after the decimal point. So for example, this one, the first zero is not significant since it is before the decimal point, but zeros after the decimal point are considered significant. Therefore, this would have 7 significant figures. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one, this 0 is in the middle of two significant figures. And then these two zeros are after or the right of decimal point. So this would have 6 significant figures. Next, zeros at the end of a number may or may not be significant if the number is written without a decimal point. So this would be, minsan ito yung nakakalito, hindi nakikita yung decimal point. Okay? If there is a decimal point, for this one, example, zeros would be counted as significant. So this would have 4 significant figures. Right? But if there is no decimal place, these zeros will not be counted. Therefore, this number, even though they are both 1,000, this one only has 1 significant figures. Okay? Now, a key point that must be raised is that a calculated quantity can be no more precise than the least precise data in the calculation, and the reported result should reflect this fact. So how do we analyze this? For example daw, a chain or yung tanikala is only as strong as the weakest link, right? Ibig sabihin, there are rules in significant figures which should be reflected in final or the answer or the final report. Now, what are those rules? Okay? For example daw, when we are doing multiplication and division, the reported results should have no more significant figures than the factor with the fewest significant figure. Remember, for multiplication and division, fewest significant figures. For example, 1.827 multiplied by 0.762, this has 4 significant figures, and this only has 3 because this 0 is not counted, right? Now, since the factor 0.762 daw has only 3, which means this is the lowest. So when we do the calculation, even if the calculator shows this much number, only 3 figures must be chosen. That's why the correct answer should now be 1.39 meters squared. So, comprised of 1, 2, 3, which is now 3 significant figures. So, that's only for multiplication and division. Okay? Now, for addition and subtraction, the rules are different. Okay? So for adding and subtracting, the result should have the same number of decimal places as the number with the fewest decimal places. Okay? So for example, this first number, it has 5 significant figures, right? And only 3 decimal places. Now this one, we have 4 significant figures, but only 2 decimal places. Now when we do this, okay, the answer now should be 112.13, which follows the one with fewest decimal places, right? Now, if we apply the previous rule, in which we follow the rule of multiplication and division, we would need 4 significant figures, right? If only 4 significant figure is required, the answer you would arrive would be 112.1, which is different to the actual answer. That's why we have different rules for multiplication and division, and we have different rules for addition and subtraction. So this would be wrong. Now, another note, be cautious now of roundup errors in multi-step problems and wait until the final answer before rounding. For example, in here, so this one, we have 6 significant figures, okay, and 3 decimal places. But in here, this number has 5 significant figures and 4 decimal places. If we do this, since 3 is the lower one, we would have 112, sorry, 0.133 meters, which is again not our correct answer. Okay? Since from the very beginning, we have a value with only 2 decimal places. So that's the thing that we will use. Okay? Next, if ever there is a logarithm, okay, the logarithm would be consisted of a character, the digits daw, right of the decimal place or the whole number digits, and a mantissa or the decimal places. Okay, numbers right of the decimal place. Now, the number of significant figures of the given daw should be equal to the mantissa, okay, of the resulting value. In here, since the logarithm has 3 significant figures, so the mantissa or the decimal place should also have 3 significant figures or 3 decimal places.